Choosing among our top-performing marketing tools helps you stand out and drive more users to Fiverr. Here, you'll learn how to select the most relevant creative elements from our large selection of banners, landing pages, buttons, and more. To find your winning creative, log into your account. Go to Marketing Tools and then All Marketing Tools. Use the filtering options to find your best creative. As a Fiverr affiliate, you have the option to promote any page associated with Fiverr, such as Fiverr.com, &Co, and Fiverr Learn. First, choose your brand. Note that for Fiverr's freelancing services, you have two options, Fiverr CPA and Fiverr Hybrid. Fiverr CPA will direct your users to Fiverr and entitle you to a CPA commission. Fiverr Hybrid will also direct your users to Fiverr, but will entitle you to a fixed CPA commission plus a percentage of the order value. After you choose your preferred brand, filter by type to choose a specific marketing tool type. You can also filter by language. If you have a specific product you would like to promote, the name filter shows existing marketing materials for you to choose from. After that, you have the option to filter by size. For example, if you promote Fiverr Pro services, first choose the brand, Fiverr CPA or Fiverr Hybrid, and then filter by name by typing Fiverr Pro. Then you can select JPEG as the marketing tool type. Next, click Show Creatives. Once you choose your creative, Get HTML Code helps reveal the code you can embed within an HTML page, which contains the link to the media and the tracking link. Please note, if you choose to download an image, you won't be able to track impressions. Now, just copy the code and embed it on your site.